This is how you trade with the automated bots and make profit with automated bots and also copy trading. Make sure you click the link in my bio for free guidance. And also, if you comment to my videos, you get a chance to get free capital, startup capital. So you can see we are starting with 469 USDTs, and I will be using RunQuilly for free bots. I told you the bots are free. Make sure your account is verified, both email and KYC. Then after that, you fund your account. Make sure it is funded, and the portfolio should look like this. You can start with 200 or 500 or more. That is the best capital to start with. Then after funding your account, you'll get to unlock the trading bots. You can see we have a trade going on. Actually, we were copy trading with this also, and I did the best to approve as many as possible. Our startup capital was 1000 and it was running for around 13 hours, 1 hour remaining and 12 minutes, and so far we've managed to get 2,809 USDTs as our profit. So it is worth the wait. So I'll just come and find another one. This one I'll want a first one like 3 hours. And I had seen Pulse Trader Bot. So I just start my bot, and the minimum is 500, but you can copy trade with any amount more than 50. I'll approve. Right now, I just want people to grow because it is almost end month, and people have been paying bills. So I understand that. So I'll just enter 600 as my capital, and take profit will be 600, and my stop loss I'll just use 120, almost the maximum. So no risk, no gain. Make sure you learn on how to risk your capital so that you can be making more profit. You just don't come to the market with 30 USDTs. No, you'll be making 2 USDTs, of which they go to transaction fee. So we'll check the full logs, like 3. Then I share the copy trading, and as always, we do expect losses and profits in trading. And as you can see, I've started with a loss of 6. If it could be a beginner, you could have stopped the bot, but let's see if we'll get a recovery, of which there it is of 29, and now our PNL runs at 29.72. So if you are running this bot on yourself, always be focusing on the PNL, not the profits and losses, because you can hit a big loss and then hit a double profit, and the PNL will go high. You can see right now we've hit a loss and our PNL is 7.85. So let's check the chart. You can see it is not bad. It is not bad. That was a profit, I guess so. Let me refresh and see. Let me refresh. Yeah, we are on a profit. So I'll just go share the trade. So we'll be having 2 copy tradings. 2 copy trading. Which one is it? It is this one, Pulse Trader. You can see Apex Predator is running with almost 2,800 USDT. So I'll just share this on WhatsApp and also on Telegram. Under the one I have approved 630 and 31 people so far. So don't miss out this one. Okay, I'll continue approving. You will see that the request still come on the same page. So there are 2 bots. If you are lucky enough, you will join this one too. Let me show you the requests. I've shared the code and everything here, and you can see the request has so many with good capitals. That's why I'm happy with you guys. I don't get tired because you guys are hardworking. You can see like Tanzania 1480. Let's scroll down again. The problem with this is the unapproved go downwards. So I think they should put it the approved to be unapproved to be up, then the approved to be down for easy work. So you can see 1,600, 105, Uganda 137, 13,000, 132, 13,720, 53, 89, 73, 126, 1,802, 1,400. So those are just sample of people sending copy trading requests. So you don't miss out. Make sure you trade with this one. You have time, and I'll try to approve as many as possible. Good night, my guys. Have a profitable night.